Hello guys, this is Rohop Khan from our nation, and I'm on Okinawa Island. Hello guys, this is Rohop Khan from our nation, and I'm today on Okinawa Island to compete in MSC 2021 final round.
Today we're going to drive around Okinawa, and we're going to get to see him drive his drift spec car on the streets of Okinawa for a little bit. But first, we're going to do a little bit of cinematic stuff. So, let's get to it. So what we're doing is we're having them pull up to the wall here. Look at my camera right there. This will be the parking shot. I'm walking all the way down to the stinking pier because there's some waves crashing up against some rocks. It's pretty cool. I'm hoping that I can get out far enough to show the waves coming over the rocks, which they are doing. And the whole point of that is I want to set the scene for this barge pier area to show how chaotic it kind of is. This is a really long walk. This is one of those situations where a cell phone might actually be better than a nice camera because I just don't have the right lenses or the setup for the job. I'll show you. I mean, even this is beautiful in its own way. Okay, so we're not gonna be able to hit all the spots we want. We're already running out of time, just how this always goes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set up the gimbal now, and his wife is going to drive the van. We're gonna go down to the spot that has two separate bridges that we wanna do. And we're gonna try and get some rollers on the way, and then hopefully some nice sunset hopefully some nice sunset shots on the bridges. So let's see what we can do. I'm gonna go ahead and try and get this all set up. I have this piece on the bottom of the camera. It uses a hex tool to loosen it, right? I had one attached to my tripod because it's got this nifty holder, but there's no hex tool. I don't know what I did, I lost it. So now I can't put the camera on the gimbal. All right, so we're gonna stop at a Lawson's real quick, then we're gonna be on our way. The traffic kind of gave us a hard time on the bridge shots, on the first bridge shot, so let's hope we have better luck on the second ones.
It's been loose.
So it's just a loose injector?
Coil pack, yeah.
Or a loose coil pack?
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, I know car things. It's definitely a weird experience being in the back of my own car. I'm not used to that. It's really nice back here. So to do a roller well, you need to be able to get a camera out of a car and low safely. Because you want to have a van or a vehicle that you can roll the back window down or open the hatch, and the hatch won't close on you. You want to be secure in a vehicle. A side door is nice that you can secure open so it doesn't close on your camera. That's bad. That's a bad time. Not going anywhere. That's not good. Get the camera as low as possible. A great, easy way to do this is to put the camera on a gimbal and then hold the gimbal inverted, and you can get really low and you can be completely safe. You only need to be going 20 to 30 kilometers an hour, so like 15 to 30 miles an hour. You should not be going any faster than that. Drive-bys, different story. But for rollers, slow and steady. Keyword, steady. So I can't use my gimbals. What I'm having to do is I'm having to use 120 frames per second shots, because if you slow it down 5 times to 24 frames per second, you can get much smoother motion. You can hit a warp stabilizer on it, it'll crop it in a little bit, and it'll jiggle the edges, reverse of the jiggling that is happening, so you can get more of a stable image. The downside there is I don't have any audio. After the video is slowed down, the audio no longer matches. So you can try and find audio that matches, and we'll see if I can do that. But typically the sensation of the audio doesn't match what the viewer is viewing, so it really just doesn't work. It works for silent cinematics or really like an accent shot, but you really shouldn't do a whole video like that, which is exactly what I'm gonna do, because I'm missing the right parts.
Yeah.